The pear, a palatable path to vitality and well-being. In a world filled with an abundance of fruits, each with its unique flavor and nutritional profile, the pear stands out as a tantalizing delight that not only tickles the taste buds but also showers the body with an array of health benefits. Picture this: the gentle curvature of the pear, the soft sheen of its skin, and the promise of a succulent, juicy bite. From its enchanting appearance to its exquisite taste, the pear has captured the hearts and plates of many across the ages. However, beyond its culinary allure lies a treasure trove of wellness, a symphony of nutrients and compounds that contribute to our overall vitality. Let us embark on a journey through 7 captivating health benefits of the pear, a fruit that beckons us toward a path of well-being. Antioxidant elixir. Quercetin and glutathione. As we delve deeper into the pear's nutritional makeup, we uncover 2 antioxidants that deserve special mention: quercetin and glutathione. Quercetin, a flavonoid found abundantly in pears, exhibits anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties. It has been associated with a reduced risk of chronic diseases and may even play a role in allergy relief. Glutathione, often referred to as the master antioxidant, assists in detoxifying the body by neutralizing harmful substances and promoting cellular health. With each bite of a pear, you're imbuing your body with a natural elixir that combats oxidative stress and promotes overall wellness. Digestive harmony, a fiber-rich friend. The pear, with its innate sweetness and tender flesh, offers a substantial amount of dietary fiber, an invaluable asset for a well-functioning digestive system. This fiber comes in 2 forms: soluble and insoluble. The soluble fiber forms a gel-like consistency in the digestive tract, aiding in slowing down the digestion process. This, in turn, helps regulate blood sugar levels by preventing rapid spikes after meals. On the other hand, insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool and promotes regular bowel movements, reducing the risk of constipation. With each juicy bite of a pear, you're gifting your digestive system the support it needs to function seamlessly. Heartfelt health. Potassium's prowess. Among its nutritional treasures, pears boast a significant content of potassium, a mineral that plays a pivotal role in heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium, thereby reducing the risk of hypertension and cardiovascular diseases. By incorporating pears into your diet, you're not just indulging in a delectable treat, you're also nurturing your heart's well-being. Immune booster. Vitamin C superstar. Vitamin C, a potent antioxidant, takes center stage in the pear's ensemble of nutrients. This vitamin is a cornerstone of a robust immune system, defending the body against infections and illnesses. Moreover, vitamin C aids in the production of collagen, contributing to healthy skin and supporting wound healing. So, when you savor a pear, you're not just savoring a burst of sweetness, you're fortifying your body's defenses. Weight wellness. Low-calorie satiety. Embarking on a journey toward wellness often involves maintaining a healthy weight. Pears, with their low calorie and high water content, make for an ideal addition to weight management strategies. The water in pears contributes to a feeling of fullness, curbing overeating tendencies. Furthermore, the natural sugars in pears provide a satisfying sweetness without the guilt of excessive calories. By choosing pears as a snack or incorporating them into your meals, you're embracing a pathway to weight wellness. Digestive health beyond fiber. Sorbitol and flavonoids. Beyond fiber, pears contain sorbitol, a sugar alcohol that has a mild laxative effect. This natural component aids in softening stools and promoting regular bowel movements, making pears a natural remedy for constipation. In addition to sorbitol, pears contain flavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds contribute to gut health by reducing inflammation and supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, fostering a harmonious internal environment. Bone building blocks. Vitamin K. While often overshadowed by its more celebrated counterparts, vitamin K is a key nutrient for bone health. Pears, with their moderate vitamin K content, contribute to bone strength and density. Vitamin K aids in the proper absorption of calcium, a mineral essential for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. So, relishing the sweet taste of a pear could also be a step toward preserving your bone health as you age. Closing thoughts. Pearfection in every bite. In conclusion, the pear is not just a fruit. It's a source of wholesome nourishment that bridges the gap between indulgence and well-being. Its luscious taste, combined with its abundant nutritional offerings, paints a picture of a fruit that cares for both your palate and your health. From supporting digestion and heart health to boosting the immune system and aiding weight management, the pear stands as a testament to nature's bounty and its ability to enhance our lives. As you relish each juicy bite of a pear, remember that you're partaking in a ritual of wellness, a delightful journey toward vitality, one succulent mouthful at a time. So, the next time you encounter a pear, embrace its perfection and allow it to guide you on the path to